Hello, my dear students. Today we will learn Chapter 4 Angles and Pairs of Angle. Before we start the new topic, let's recall what we had learned in Standard 6. Write the names of the angle shown alongside. The answer is angle ABC, or you can write it as angle CBA or angle B. Write the name of its vertex. Now vertex is a point where two or more lines or edges meet. So here the vertex is point B. Write the names of its arms. Each ray is called an arm of the angle. So the answer is ray BA and ray BC. Write the names of the points marked on its arm. The answer is point A, point B and point C. Now let's learn the following topic in today's class: the interior and exterior of an angle, adjacent angle, complementary angles and supplementary angles. In the plane of the figure alongside, the group of points like point N, point M, point T and point O, which are not on the arms of the angle, form the interior of the angle. The group of points in the plane of the angle like point G, point D, point E, point S, which are neither on the arms of the angle nor in its interior, form the exterior of the angle. Now let's learn adjacent angles. Observe the given figure. The ray NQ of angle BMQ and angle QMD is a common arm and the vertex M is common. There is no common point in the interior of these angles. These angles are called adjacent angles. Adjacent angles have one common arm and the other arms lie on opposite sides of the common arm. They have a common vertex. Adjacent angles have separate interiors. So now we know that two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angles. Now let's learn complementary angles. Draw angle PQR, a right angle. Take any point S in its interior. Draw ray QS. Add the measures of these angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are said to be complementary angles. In the figure, angle PQS and angle SQR are complements of each other. That is, measure angle PQS plus measure angle SQR is 90 degree. So now we know if the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. Now let's learn supplementary angles. In the figure, B is a point on line AC. BD is a ray. Two angles, angle ABD and angle DBC, are formed. Measure angle ABD is 120 degree and measure angle DBC is 60 degree. Measure angle ABD plus measure angle DBC is equal to 120 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. In the figure, angle ABD and angle DBC are supplementary angles. Each angle is said to be supplement of the other. So now we know two angles are said to be supplementary angle if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. So dear students, today we learned the interior and exterior of an angle, adjacent angles, complementary angles and supplementary angles. In our next video, we will learn to solve few examples from the practice set.